Welcome to QZenith Video Tutorials. Hi guys, hope you're doing great, and in this video I'm going to show you how to download and install Windows Server 2025 and VMware Workstation Pro. So let's get started. I'm going to use Mozilla Firefox, and then I'm going to type Windows Server 2025 ISO download and then hit enter. This is the first link. I'm going to just right click on it and open link in new tab. And this is the page it takes you to. And scroll down a bit. Here you can see Windows Server. So I'm going to install Windows Server 2025. Try Windows Server on Azure. Download the ISO and download the VHD. I'm going to choose download the ISO. Just click on it. It's going to open up in new tab. It says that register for your free trial. So I'm going to type in my username, my last name, email, the company name, country and region, and then mention the company size. I'm gonna just type or select one, job role, and then the phone number. And if you wanted to, you can type any kind of question or comments. I have typed thank you, and then check on both of these check boxes, and then you can just click on download. So now it takes you to this page. Please select your Windows Server 2025 to download, and I'm going to choose the English United States 64-bit edition. Just click on it and you can see that it started to download. The size of the file is 5.6 GB, and it's going to take almost around 10 minutes to download. So I'm going to pause the video and then resume it when it gets completed. Alright, so the download is completed. I'm going to just click on over here, and there you can see it's been downloaded successfully. So this is the ISO file of Windows Server 2025. I'm going to install it in VMware Workstation Pro. So before even installing, we need to create a virtual machine in VMware Workstation. So I'm going to just switch back to my VMware Workstation, and then I'm going to right click on over here, click on new virtual machine, or you can just click on file, new virtual machine, or you can click on create a new virtual machine. I'm going to just click on over here, use the typical recommended settings, click on I will install the operating system later, click on next, choose Windows, choose Microsoft Windows, and then from the drop down list you can choose Windows Server 2025. If you don't have Windows Server 2025, you can just select Windows Server 2022 and then just click on next. Over here I can rename it as Win Server 2025, and I'm going to stick with the default location path. I'm going to just click on next. Here you can see 60 GB of storage space is going to be consumed from our host machine hard drive. So it's okay, totally fine. I'm going to just click on store virtual disk as a single file, and then I'm going to just click on next. And this is the summary. I'm going to just click on customize hardware, click on new CD DVD, choose the ISO file. So click on use ISO image file, click on browse and select that operating system and click on open. And then you can just click on close, and everything seems to be fine. I'm going to just click on finish. So the virtual machine is going to be created over here, and now we can start installing it. So click on power on this virtual machine. It boots up, and I'm going to hit enter, press any key to boot from CD or DVD, and I'm going to just close this one and let us wait for a while. Alright, so I'm going to maximize the screen size. Language to install, it says English, and time and currency format, I'm going to say English India. So scroll up a little bit and then you can choose English India. Click on next. Keyboard or input method, it's going to be English India. Click on next. Install Windows Server, I agree everything, and then just click on next. We are getting a few things ready, and there we have got the Windows editions. So we're not going to install the CLI mode, so I'm going to choose this Windows Server 2025 Standard Evaluation Desktop Experience, and then just click on next. And there we have got the applicable notices and license terms. Scroll down to the bottom and then just click on accept. There it takes you to the location to install Windows Server. We already have got 60 GB of virtualized disk. I'm going to select that and then just click on next, and then says ready to install. I'm going to just click on install. So now it's going to install the packages. So I'm going to pause the video and then we'll resume it when it gets completed. Note that it may restart multiple or several times. You don't have to press enter again and again when it's going to prompt you press enter to boot from CD or DVD. So let it be, it's going to boot up on its own and then it's going to install on its own. I'll pause the video and then we'll resume it. So here you can see that the PC restarted on its own. Now it's asking you to please keep your computer on. So it's totally fine installing. As of now, it's showing you 0% and your computer may restart a few times, so it's totally fine. So the PC restarted again on its own. So this takes you to this specific page and the username is administrator by default. So I'm going to type the password PA$0000RD and then PA$0000RD, and I'm going to just click on finish. Now here you can see that it took you to the login page. I'm going to just click on Control Alt Delete. This is the virtualized key and I'm going to type capital PA$0000RD and then hit enter, and now it takes you to this send diagnostic data to Microsoft. So you can accept if you wanted to. As of now, I'm going to do accept, and the server manager did not show this message again. I'm going to check this box and click on close. So this server manager opens on its own. So what I can do is I'm going to just click on manage and then go to server manager properties, and I'm going to check this. Do not start server manager automatically when the Windows Server 2025 is logged in. So I'm going to just click on OK and everything seems to be fine. Just click on close, and this is how the operating system is installed, and which is Windows Server 2025. Now I'm going to install VMware tools so that the additional drivers or supported drivers are going to be installed over here. So just click on VM, install VMware tools, click on install, and then I'm going to just click on autoplay and then just click on run setup. Click on next. Click on typical. So I'm going to stick with the default. Just click on next. Click on install. So it's going to install all those required packages and drivers. Let us wait for a while and you can see the changes. It's going to use the full screen size if the driver is successfully installed. Now you can see that it's using full screen. That's awesome. I'm going to just click on finish, and then it's asking you to restart your device or restart your operating system. As of now, I'm going to say no. I'm going to close this and I'm going to power off this virtual machine so that I can eject the ISO file first. So I'm going to right click on Windows Server 2025, click on settings, and then select CD DVD. I'm going to use physical drive and then just click on OK. And now if I'm going to power on the virtual machine, it's going to give me this notification. I'm going to just say no, so that whenever I turn on this virtual machine, it should not search for ISO file. And now it takes you to the login page. Control Alt Delete, login, and then hit enter. So here you can see Windows Server 2025 standard evaluation, and it's valid for 180 days. Okay, seems to be fine. Now I'm going to just click on start and then just click on server manager, and you can see the server is busy as of now. So I'm going to just click on local server, and my computer name is this. So first of all, I'm going to change the name of the computer. Click on the computer name, and here I'm going to click on change it to WinSRV 2K25-PC, and then just click on OK. And it asks you to restart your computer. It's totally fine. And then just click on close. And as of now, I'm not going to restart my computer. Restart later. And here I'm going to change the time zone, so it should be India. So change time zone, select it to Chennai, Kolkata, Mumbai, New Delhi. Click on OK and just click on OK. And I'm going to update the Windows, so click on download updates only using Windows Update, and just click on check for updates. So here you can see a lot of updates. I'm going to click on download and install all. So it's starting to download. It may take a while, so I'm going to pause the video and then we'll resume it when it gets completed. What you can do is you can just click on install over here, so that the pending installation, it's going to install on its own. I'm going to just click on restart the system. So it's shutting down services and updates are underway. So don't turn off your computer. There you can see the system is rebooted successfully. I'm going to just click on Control Delete and then log into the system. So we are logged in successfully. So everything seems to be fine. I'm going to just click on start and then just click on power off, shut down, click on continue to shut down this machine. And after shutting it down, I'm going to create a snapshot so that if any kind of issue is faced in the future, I can always revert to this specific OS state. So you can right click on Windows Server 2025, click on snapshot, take snapshot 1, and then I would say newly installed OS, username, admin, password, VMware tools installed, ISO image ejected, system updated, PC hostname is changed, and that's it. I'm going to just click on snapshot, and the snapshot is created successfully. There you can see. So this is how you download and install Windows Server 2025 in VMware Workstation Pro. Hope it was informative for you. I will see you on the next video. Thank you for watching.